Hi everyone. Are you worried about sharing your valuable document with public AI services? Or maybe your organization can't afford to risk sensitive data with tool like ChatGPT. What if I told you you can still harness the full power of AI for document processing right on your PC with zero risk of your data leaving your hand? Stay tuned because today I will show you how to build your very own AI processing system to analyze document safely, privately, and effectively. Most importantly, it's free. What is RAG? RAG stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation. It combines two powerful AI components. First, a retriever to fetch the most relevant information from your document. Second, generator to craft human like answer that information. Essentially, RAG can act as a chatbot or assistant that answer your question using only the document you provided. Now you know RAG. You must have noticed there is a key element this RAG to work, that is knowledge base. Knowledge base representing the vector database. So how this vector database is populated? You have bunch of data in a text format and we need to save into vector database. First, extract all the data from data source as a text, then chunk it, create embedding over it, and save it. Extract, chunk, create embedding, save. Here, what you need to get started. First of all, you need to have Python in your PC. So next, the I'm going to use Olama for this RAG application model, which is Llama 3.2. This is very lightweight model, very powerful and fast. So install Olama. You just need to download and install. So next DB. ChromaDB is the vector database to store our document and text which AI can search. So it's a open source database. Again, you don't have to install this. It will come as a when you install the Python library. Same goes to EmbedChain. This is also small library in the Python which you can help to build a RAG application. And again, it's also does not need to install. It will come as a Python library. Same goes to Streamlit is the UI framework which you can help to build small data app quite fast. Let's start the small coding. So I'm going to install EmbedChain and Streamlit. Here we go. So now let's start new file, adding a necessary imports, and I'm saved as a my rag dot file. Then I'm going to write a function for initiate my rag. So I'm going to pass ChromaDB file path, db path. So this is my configuration. So I'm using the embed chain to initialize my rag. It's very simple. That's why I'm using it. Initializing rag is three steps. One is configure the LLM. Second thing is configure the vector database, and last is embedder. So LLM is provider. I'm using Olama model Llama 3.2 latest. Configure the max token. You can change it, and system prompt. I'm giving bit of the formatting, so it easy to understand. Then you can have the user prompt with the context and the query. So I'm going to share this code. Don't worry about details. So you can take your own time to go through it one by one. So temperature you can set maybe 4 3, so that make sure the accuracy is important. So this is the important part. So I'm pointing my large language model in my local. It does not go to internet. So your data is secure in your PC. This is our database. So vector database, as you know, we are using ChromaDB. So this is the file path to store the database. Embedder, I'm using again the same model to create an embedder. So this embedder is the where we input the text, convert back to vector records. So that is sit on your ChromaDB. You all set for the configure your rag. So now I am building a small UI to visualize and interact. I'm using Streamlit for build simple UI. So this is the title and capture. So then I need to have db path, temporary path, temporary file, mk. While I'm initializing, I create a store as well to store my session. So this is the apps session, and this is the message which you communicate also go into the session, so that you have a memory in your rack application. Then I am building the file upload function. For now I am restricting it into PDF. Then you have loading and put into the temporary file. I'm keeping this code. Then we have acknowledge. I am adding the chat interface with Streamlit. We have iterate the messages render in your UI, and this is where is the your input come in. This is the users appear in the role. Okay. Now I'm building the interface for chatting. This is where we are iterating your chat history. This is the chat input, and this is the your role, chatting person role, and this is how your loading is goes. Then this is the place you are talk to your rag application. You are passing your prompt. Then once you success, you will get to display your message in the screen. Let me add the clear history button. Okay, let's go through again. We have a function to initialize the rack. So we have configure the LLM, vector database, and embedder. Then we have the UI configured. Then we initialize our rag application. Then I'm building a sidebar for the upload PDF. Then chat interface. then play button. You all set. So let me run the application and clear the terminal so that it will be clear for you. To run my application, I'm using Streamlit. Run my rack.file. It will pop up a browser and start my application. This is my UI using Streamlit, and this is running. Let's try it out. So there is the place you can upload your PDF. So I upload one of my sample PDF. Here what it happen is behind the scene it will create an embed with LLM and put into your Chroma DB, which is your vector DB. Now I can talk to PDF. What is this document? CUMA is about. Please summarize. Even the small typo, as you know, in ChatGPT is correct. See, these are the key point uh, document is about. It's about food labeling, some categories. So let's see what are the action item. So it says these are the action item. It's extracted earlier. To make the system more robust, add more document to your knowledge base. Customize the prompt you specific need. You can customize system prompt as well as user prompt. And always keep your model libraries up to date. You can even use more powerful model than Llama 3.2. That's it for today. Now you have a powerful private AI system at your fingertips in your computer. No data leaks, no subscription, just pure AI goodness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. If you have any question, just comment below. I will respond as soon as possible. See you again, another video. Thank you.